When I think about our experience here in the Godrej compound, I can't help but think of one word, and that's partnership. We moved in here almost just over 8 years ago, and since then Godrej and their team and the facilities have just been a tremendous partner of ours as we continue to grow.
I like the location the best. The central location itself is an amenity, I would say. There has never been a disruption to my operations. Any employee can reach here by train, by metro, by car, so it's easier.
When you come to Godrej, you only see a big campus with a lot of gardens, a lot of lush green, a lot of trees. It is very rare to find in the cities like Bombay nowadays.
We have visitors coming in from all over the world, and when they come in, we try to get them up to the terrace. And everybody is absolutely fascinated by the green space that we have up on the terrace and the ability of companies that are with Godrej in their community to use that facility.
So we have a multi-generational workforce. I think this is a campus to kind of reckon with, if I can say so, in this area. So it kind of gives a good employee value proposition for them to be associated with us in this campus as well. Then there are other activities that happens in the campus which kind of also helps our own employees. Say during Diwali, okay, there is an event that's happening, so they can just go and it's not just only within the company, just within the 300 odd people they are enjoying, but it is also beyond that.
So we operate pretty much on a 24/7, 365 basis, yeah. And with Godrej, the security is round the clock, and we have never had any incidents where our employees had an issue.
We can count on Godrej. The operational team as well as the management team, they're always listening. And if there is any support that we need to make our operations smooth, they are there to make it happen for us.
The strength of partnership and the collaboration to ensure mutual success has just been absolutely fantastic.